Hello guys, this is Dominic here. Today I'm gonna show you pipetting system. It's 196 well. I will show you. This is the manual one type. It's not the semi-automatic or the full automatic one. It's totally hand control. It's bench top. You can see that background. We got two cartoon box here on the table. That's it. I will show you details. So follow my camera. I can show you the 196 well pipetting system. Okay, let's start with the small one. Then this one. Let's turn this out and assemble it. This is the pipetting tips, 96 pieces. You can see that is the 10 ml, and it's the sterilized package, and disposable. See, and this is the spare part carton box, and this is, you see that this is the regular one, and this too, and this. The big one is the 284. Well, you just put here 1, 2, 3, 4. I will show you that in. You see that? 300. Yeah. 380. And this is the just put it here. I will not show you how to use that because I use that. Already. Okay, this is how to assemble it, and I will show you in other video. And this, you see the black one, the black circle, that's a very important thing. That's can replace the tips of the this part. See, if you want to keep it very accuracy, that I guess that you need to keep. You see that? From this angle is so beautiful, right? Each tip stud got two of them. Okay.